Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak on the grill, step by step. First, select a quality cut of steak, ideally at least 1 inch thick. Pat it completely dry with paper towels to ensure a perfect crust. Then, season your steak generously on all sides with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other desired spices. This initial preparation is key for a flavorful outcome. Now, let's get grilling. Preheat your grill to a high temperature, aiming for about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place your seasoned steak directly over the heat. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side to develop a beautiful, flavorful crust. After searing, move the steak to a cooler part of the grill to finish cooking evenly to your preferred doneness. Knowing when your steak is perfectly cooked is crucial. Use a reliable meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. For a delicious medium rare, aim for around 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, the temperature will rise a few degrees while resting. After removing it from the grill, let your steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and juicy bite. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly grilled steak. Always slice your steak against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Arrange it beautifully on a platter with your chosen side dishes and serve immediately. For more great cooking tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for keeping your kitchen spotless after a delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.